Good morning, everybody. It's a magical day as we are at Epcot today to ride some rides. We're just here to have some fun. I got a boarding group 57 for Cosmic Rewind, so we'll be doing that today. Otherwise than that, no real plans, so let's go. First ride of the day is Spaceship Earth because it's a walk-on. There's a little bit of a line, but that's a walk-on right there.
And he's off on another gold medal run. Jesse Owens makes America proud with 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin.
Poised to shape the future of this, our Spaceship Earth.
Another great trip around Spaceship Earth. My boarding group this morning that I got was Group 57, and it says it's going to be like a 1:35 boarding time. It has now moved up to 11:05, so we're going to be riding very soon. I want to give a special shout out and thank you to Timothy Young, our newest Patreon member. Your support and the support of other Patreon members allow us to continue to make videos like this. Everything that goes in the Patreon account goes right back into the channel for travel, equipment, and of course, sweet views like that. So again, thank you Timothy Young for the support. Next ride up is Test Track. It says it's a 60-minute wait, but we're going to utilize the single rider line. This is the single rider line. There is actually quite a few people in line, but it's moving pretty quick. Also want to bring up the fact that my boarding time has now moved to 10:49. It's moved up another almost 20 minutes since we entered the park. Current time is 10:05. Sweet ride on Test Track. You know, it's kind of like driving down I-4 here in Florida. Just, you know, swerving around all the traffic and just taking off when you can. No, we're not doing that. I'm sorry. I'm not ruining my day. Mission Space is a no-go today. But we are in boarding group 56. I am boarding group 57. We're going to head over and now we're going to ride Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. I've only ridden it once and it was amazing, so I'm excited to go back. Maybe we'll get a different soundtrack. There it is, boarding group 57. Let's ride.
We cannot stop this unusually large man. Then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck!
Get it.
What is that noise?
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Oh, Christ.
You're all heroes. So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's such a good roller coaster. Like, Cosmic Rewind is just the smoothest, fun, like the rotation of the cars. It's, I don't know, it's one of those rides where I was like, is it that good? Like, you watch all the reviews and everything, and then you ride it and you're like, that thing is amazing, and I want to ride it again and again. Got the Janitors there. Yeah, Janitor Jam, Janitors. Well, Ratatouille is not open. It still says temporarily closed. It's been closed all day. I don't know if it's going to open. So we're going to go over to the Living with the Land Pavilion. We're probably going to ride Living with the Land. And maybe if there's a short line for Soarin'. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do after that. I see poo. Waving the net around. Alright, let's go into living land. It's getting pretty hot out here. Current temperature is 89, feels like 99 with humidity of 63%. UV's high. So yeah, it's a little warm, and it's currently 11:37. So we've ridden Cosmic Rewind, Test Track, and Spaceship Earth all in about 2.5 hours. And monorail. It's going pretty good. I mean, we're almost halfway into the day, and we've already ridden 3 rides, and the most popular rides, besides Frozen, of course, which is a 60-minute wait. Remy just opened back up. It is a 60-minute wait already. Okay, so you can see right here we have the map of everything. So Spaceship Earth is 20-minute wait. There's a line wrapping around the queue now. Living with the Land is a 30-minute wait. You know it's a busy day when Living with the Land is a 30-minute wait. Soarin' right there is 70 minutes. Figment's 25. 75 minutes already for Remy. When it first came on, it was 25. And then just the last 10 minutes it went that long. Then over here, you got Frozen at 65. Test Track 50. Mission Space. Again, we're not doing that today. 35. So it's getting pretty busy. It's currently 11:46. So I think we're gonna call it a day here, as the temperature is getting very warm, as you can see here. At 3 o'clock though, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain good, and that temperature is gonna come down. Well, nope, I see it changed again. Now it's 90, feels like 100 at a 60% humidity. Before we leave, we're gonna stop by the Creation Shops to check out some of the merch. They did recently announce the 40th anniversary Epcot merch online. We will be here October 1st for the anniversary of Epcot. Epcot 2022 Food and Wine Festival, Magic Band there. You got Figment up there. This one is $39.99. Epcot Food and Wine ears are $29.99. Now that's a cookie jar for $59.99. Crazy to think we just have a little over 6 months left before the 50th anniversary celebration is over. So make sure you get your 50th anniversary stuff in the next 6 months. And these are new. I haven't seen these before. It says 50th on it. That one is $34.99. And looks like Peter Pan right there. $34.99. That's only 2 types they have there. They do got these transportation buses with 50 on it for $14.99. I have always wanted to go to Club Cool and try the famous Beverly, I believe it's called. So this will be interesting. I'm going to go for it. Here it is, the famous Beverly. And then we got a bunch of other flavors here. Sprite from Russia. The Beverly. I've heard mixed reviews about this one. There's no smell to it. Oh. No. So gross. Oh my god. It's like, at first you don't taste anything, and then suddenly you have dry mouth and everything tastes. I can't even explain the flavor. Like, oh. I got water. Make sure you bring some to wash that down. I had a small sip and that was rough. Alright, this one's a Sprite. Smells like Sprite. Oh god. Oh my god. You see my... Don't do it. I don't know if the Sprite was worse or it's just because of the first Beverly I had was. Oh my god. It is free to try at Club Cool. You just walk up, get a little sample cup, and play your luck. And that was I gotta bring some friends along for that one. That would be a lot of fun. Well, I just had fun with the Photo Pass people here up forward. I do have Photo Pass, so I was able to utilize that. Check it out right here. That was cool. She was very, very fun to work with. But that Beverly is not sitting well with me. I do not feel good after drinking that. I don't know what's worse, Mission Space or the Beverly now. We're gonna have to come and do a torture day where we drink Beverly and go ride Mission Space in the same day. It'll be in the future, not today. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun just coming to the park, hanging out, checking out some rides. Of course, Cosmic Rewind, what an amazing experience every time. I can't wait. New song. I'm not sure of the song names, but new songs every time. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we will be back to Epcot for the 40th anniversary on October 1st. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.